This question asks us to provide the IUPAC name for this molecule. The first thing we need to do is to find the parent hydrocarbon in this molecule. There are 10 carbons in this molecule, so we'll start with the name of our 10-carbon parent hydrocarbon. That would be decane. But this molecule is not going to be a decane, is it? Because we have unsaturation in the molecule, so we'll need to update the name. The alkene in the molecule means that it's not going to be a decane, it's going to be a decene. But even that's not quite good enough because there's also an alkyne in the molecule. So we'll update the molecule again. It's not going to be a decene, it's going to be a decene-ine. From here, we can start looking at the substituents in the molecule. First thing we'll need to do is number the molecule. We will number this molecule left to right. We number it to give the highest priority functional group the lowest overall number. The alkene and the alkyne tie for the same priority level, so we number from each direction until we get to the first highest priority functional group. That would be the alkene, and so we'll position it at the lowest possible number, which will be carbon number 2. Our substituents then, at carbon number 2, we have the alkene. At carbon number 4, we have the methyl group. And at carbon number 7, we have the alkyne. We can now combine these into our IUPAC name. That will be 4-methyl. No hyphen. Go straight into dec-2-ene, 7-ine. This is the name of the carbon structure of this molecule. There is one more piece of information we need to include. This alkene exhibits EZ geometry, so we need to include the EZ notation for this particular alkene. The methyl group on the left side is the highest priority, and the carbon for rest of the molecule chain is the highest priority on the right side. Those two priority groups are on opposite sides of the alkene, so this will be an opposite E and Gegen alkene. So this would be 2E, 4-methyl, dec-2-ene, 7-ine.